Are you thinking about ordering a new catamaran, but you just don't feel you have enough practice? Then the Lagoon Campus might be for you. In 2025, TMG Yachts are starting the very first Lagoon Campus aimed at upskilling our owners while the vessels are in build or being delivered. The Lagoon Campus will cover a series of modules tailored to the client's specific needs, from sail handling, maneuvering, maintenance, and general catamaran knowledge. You can come down, meet the team at TMG Yachts, and work with us to prepare you for your delivery. Many of our clients choose to take delivery direct out of the factory in France. Given the remote location of this handover, TMG always ensures a comprehensive handover with one of our staff on the ground. But in the event that you want to prepare yourself and give you the best knowledge leading into taking delivery of your vessel, the Lagoon Campus will do just that, with a range of modules to covering everything you need to know for life on board your new boat. The Lagoon Campus is here in 2025, so do make sure you get in touch if you're looking to take delivery of a new boat and want that little bit of extra support.